prisoner would stop what he was doing every minute to vigilantly observe his surroundings, because if the guards discovered them, all their efforts would be in vain. Finally, through their combined efforts, they successfully sawed through the bars. They immediately climbed through the window into another room, carefully restoring the bars to their original position. However, they discovered that this room's exit was also locked with an iron door. Just then, they spotted a piece of metal that could be made into a key. But as they were preparing to saw it off, they heard guards' voices outside. 2 guards then walked in, never imagining that 2 prisoners were right beside them at that very moment. After the guards left, they took out their saw again and resumed work. Finally, after an hour, they successfully crafted a key. They immediately went to the iron door and inserted the key. As the key turned, the door actually opened. They lit the kerosene lamp they had brought and decisively walked through, but a special door blocked their path. This door was fitted with a spring lock. The man quickly thought of a solution. He placed the key in the gap between the iron doors, then used the saw to cut the exposed door hinge in 2. He repeated the same process with the other hinge, and they easily removed the iron door. But instead of rushing to escape, they headed back, because their companions were still inside the prison. Just as they were about to cover up the hole, guards suddenly entered and began searching. When the guards searched near the hole, they all felt extremely anxious. At this critical moment, another guard outside seemed to have discovered something, so he left the room with his subordinates. Their suspended hearts finally settled.